guys are here to see Filipiniana. Filipiniana dress. Where is new? Pero wala.
Ha? Ay, dili, pambabae na siya.
Filipiniana niya na dress and
Pambabae na.
blouse.
Isa inyo, tol?
For those who need Filipiniana. The set show. This is set. Look at this. Mag-earn, there's a lot of new Filipiniana. Filipiniana. May barong oh. 4 boys and 4 men. Filipino barong.
Oh, short. Dua ka buok. Ang boot nila. Ang slacks kita na po 160.
This is nice. Ay, dapat ang ano na Filipiniana. Para daw sa linggo ng Mika. Buwan ng Mika. Ah, ito. Lagyan mo siya ng ano. Blouse. She will put a blouse. Amat ang set niya. Filipiniana set daw sila. Ano? 1 Filipiniana set. If you have some awards night. Okay, awards night sa Pilipinas. Oh, how to
Tawag mo siya
dress
niya.
a Filipiniana blouse.
Ano din siya balay. Asutaan dito?
See, beautiful. Black. Black and kimona. Kimona. O sa'yo tawag ano niya ba? Kimona. Bolero. Bolero siya na ano. Ang sleeve niya. Milda sleeve. Ha? Pop sleeve. Dara. Pop sleeve. Bolero. Pop sleeve. And then the gold skirt. Made of pinyasa. Pinyasa. Here's a lot of new skirts. And this beautiful house. Beautiful.
Oo. Gani. Sige. Unsa man? Nakulit yung kuryente. Palitan ako steak. Ito yung mga kailangan.
Barong for Metro.
Sige niya, mamalit na ako distant eh. Wala ka.
Very nice. There is before here some fruits, organic fruits. The mangosteen, rambutan, and the buko. Buko is here. Buko. Guys, let's go. Yeah. I'm here at the Young Girls. Light shop. Lighting shop. Young Girls, a lot of things to buy here at Young Girls. From sauce, Alpi's, what's here, and carrot, yes. There's a bike station. I featured this before. It's a bike station. That's a bicycle. Yeah, lots of bicycles. We'll go inside. Bicycle a lot. See, you can see lots of bicycles. It's a bicycle store. Mountain bikes, right? Yes. Tingin ako sir ha. Mag-vlog pa video. Okay, magbili kami ng ano. Bicycle oh. Nice station oh. Gusto mong bike. Ay, exercise. Ay! exercise. Kaya dito sa kan ay bicycle na will not run as night, exercise bicycle. Bicycle for kids. For kids here. Lots of bicycle for kids. Oh, see? Bicycle store right here. I read this. Asa ganyan siya? Pang roof, no? Asa yung pang ceiling?
Yes po.
Sila sa karol, anak niya.
Kini 2.8 ni ma'am. Kini may mga double.
Sa karol, kanin, kanan.
Kini nakuha na siya. Tapos taas sa 50 meters ang isa. Sulod siya sa karon.
2.8
2.8. 25 ang rate.
per meter.
Ah.
Papunin sa kanang kolorok ba?
Oh, pwede. Kaya dili kay paano init ba?
Oh. For ceiling at the color. Use for ceiling. Asa gani aluminum foil.
Aluminum po. Well, insulator.
Ay, insulator dahil. Ceiling insulator. Okay, thank you kuya. Balik mi kaya nakita na ko ana mangi sinita eh. I see that. Oh, look. Bicycle store. Yeah. Still have a bicycle store. I like to go to the native shop there. So, clothes, tie-dye t-shirts. Here, clothes a lot here. Pwede mo pasok natin dito sa tingin ko dito. Mga wholesale shorts.
Ito sa inyo.
Tingin lang ako.
Nandara
Mga
mga
shorts.
shorts. Pang dagko, pang bata, pang babae o pang lalaki.
Nagini pa. By 6 no?
May 6.
Kani, unsa ganyan siya kaning
Pero wholesale.
wholesale?
By 6 siya. Napabili na itong taslan na barato, nag-210, unong gubo.
Taslan. Kaning taslan.
Tag-210, unong gubo. Balik 35, kapitan sa isa.
35 ang
Kapital.
kapitalista.
Mas pag marami nga kunin, pwede pa yung mag-ulang 30 na lang. Bye here!
Oh, sige, tingin lang ako ha. Mga shorts, oh. Kaya jersey, tapila ni siya lang, ano yung boy?
390 na siya, madam.
Jersey shorts do. Wholesaler store of shorts, jersey. That's here. Sige, bye-bye, guys. Balik ra ko. I will come back if I have capital. Ano siya? Food. Snacks food. Snacks food here. Weird. I like it. Okay store guys. Okay stores. What I like here is the native shop of Look at the picture. Hot. Salakot hot. This is the native wooden iron board. Oh. Iron board. The bayong about the broom native brooms. The brooms guys. This is for kids start to walk. Can use this big basket. Much better is native. I I like this Nikki Bukag to put some fruit. How much fruit is this? So, ano, what's this bamboo? Yeah, very coffee. This is so beautiful here. It's beautiful here. And look at some people. They are buying some native products here. Yes. Pang pots na, pang pots. Native bags. Oh, bamboo blocks. Bamboo I like a fruit tree, I think fruit tree. Beauty basket fruit tray. Para sa buwan namin. Abuto ka, it's already finished. There's a lot of people buying some native products here. Salakot. Ang salakot. Malamig na siya sa ulo. Ang salakot. See, it's 65 mo in your head. Isa lang yung hat. I like already fruit tray. Maybe this one. That's Jonas. Native. This is a for Christmas. I should have some left. I want to end this video guys here at the native shop. So, thanks for watching guys. Love you all. I want to end this. Thank you so much.